Hi, this is the Vivo V29 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. So we got here some paperwork like the warranty card, the quick start guide and the safety information. Also we got the protective silicone case in clear color. Some stickers with a serial number. Also we got here the just fast charge adapter, the Vivo original adapter, the USB Type-C cable, and also we got here the SIM eject tool. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.